Hey everyone, this is Rituraj, and in this video I'm sharing how to make text background like golden, silver or red and everything you want from your phone. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos for my new updates. So let's start. First we want to go on Play Store and download text tool. I have already, so you can download here and open. Also you can start with the here and get started. Let's start. Here are one problem for ads. If you want paid version, you can take a paid version. And next, first we click here and go on transparent and write here, double click and write my name. Or you want to text and here and put the screen. Also next thing, choose font. There are a lot of options. Also you can upload here if you have the RAR file or zip file, you can upload here. Lot of options. I have some like that. Also this one. So I click here and go texture. Also first you can go if you want a red sparkle background or golden background, so you can download from Google. Also you can save. And if you want anything, if you want a building backgrounds like that, you can download here. Also this picture also in a phone gallery. And we can go back on the text tone app. Also click the text and put the text background. We can set. Also here you can see, and we can submit it. We can stroke, go on stroke and click here. Also you can edit white or there are a lot of things, lot of colors you can put here. People's depending on you, what you love, what you like. I like black surrounding. So this is some more options we can try. Looking nice. And next we can copy or you can write other. Also we can delete and put other background like here. Also you can see. Also I have a other background. Go on texture, click here anything about the building, you can click here. Also you can choose the building background. If you want to change text, you can go and font. Lot of options you can upload here. Also one more thing, very simple thing, not any complications. So we can go and click. I have a purple background. I go my gallery. I have this type of background. So this is very simple, you can see here. And also you can go and click save as images, as you can PNG or JPG. Also I download on PNG, and you can default, custom, low, medium. This is the depending of quality you want. So you can save here, click. Also you can see here. Also you can see gallery. This is a transparent. Also you can hear, and this one, look how this will look very awesome. I hope this video helped you, and in this video I think you can get a more information about the text background, how to text background, change text background from your phone. And I'm very happy to see you here. And if this video helped you, please give comment or like my video. Also share with your friends or family, and don't forget about the subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you next video. Thank you so much.